Every day it feels like the walls are closing in tighter. That gnawing pressure in the chest refuses to quit. The weight of deadlines, the endless streams of decisions, the chaos that never stops. It's not just stress, it's anxiety eating away, creeping under the skin, hijacking thoughts, twisting moments of quiet into storms of doubt. That restless, exhausting buzz that won't let the mind rest, making every breath feel like a battle. It's brutal. No amount of scheduling, no more long meetings or self-help books, no pep talk or quick fix makes it stop. It's like a vicious cycle. Panic feeds panic faster and faster, pulling deeper into chaos. But here's the brutal truth no one ever tells you. This isn't about fixing anxiety with distractions or cheap tricks. This is about rewiring that nervous system beaten down by years of relentless noise and expectation. This is about building a fortress inside, a break so absolute it cuts through all the static and fear, a ritual so simple but so unshakable that anxiety has nowhere left to hang on. This pause isn't just a moment of calm, it's a declaration. This chaos will not define you. Listen closely and do this now. Stop. Right where you are. Whatever's flying through your brain, put it on hold. Not for a second, not for a minute. Start with 5 deep breaths. And this isn't some airy, relax and be mindful cliche. This is warfare against anxiety. Breathe in slowly through the nose for 5 seconds. Hold it even longer, 7 seconds. Then exhale for a full 10 seconds, the longest exhale your body can manage. Do this 4 times in a row. You're kicking your nervous system out of fight or flight and into reset. Now, this is no accident. The ritualized pause rewires the brain by hacking your body's chemistry. It floods your nervous system with calm, turning off that rogue alarm system screaming for danger. It's in these sacred seconds of pause that you reclaim power. The power to decide how to react, instead of riding the anxiety wave until it crushes you. Don't just stop there. Place your hand on your chest as you breathe. Feel the heartbeat steady, the life force steadying. Whisper the word, here, each exhale. Anchor yourself. Tether your mind to this moment, to what's real and present. Then, hear this. Never leave this pause hanging like a tiny island surrounded by storms. Build it rigidly into your daily routine. Before calls, after meetings, even before the chaos begins. Set an alarm if you have to. Protect these moments like your most valuable asset because they are your deep reset button amid relentless demands. When anxiety comes knocking, attack it with this invasion of stillness. Don't battle the thoughts screaming in your head. Instead, refuse to engage on their terms. Use the pause as your shield, your stronghold. Step away, literally step sight if you can. Look out a window, notice the small things. The literal movement of life outside, and couple it with the ritual breath. This is the blueprint no one teaches you. Own this ritual, and anxiety loses its grip. Here's the bigger picture. This pause is your rebellion against a world designed to grind you down, to keep you running in circles with no peace. Your anxiety is a symptom of a system that wants you small, busy, boxed in by rules and endless to-do lists. But you can rise above. You are not a prisoner of circumstance. The ritualized pause is your electric wire, your life connection to freedom, to clarity, to purposeful action. So do not wait. Control doesn't come with hope or promises. It's carved out in repeated, deliberate acts of reclaiming your mind, seconds at a time. This is no fluke or trend. It's a radical act of self-command that shatters chronic anxiety and pushes you into a new territory of mental mastery where silence isn't weakness, it's power in its purest form. You are wired for this strength. You are built to rise beyond limitations that chain you. The ritualized pause rewires you, resets you, and arms you. It's not just a breath, not just a moment. It's the key to a life no longer ruled by fear. Take it, own it. Breathe your way to freedom.